Suppose we have this reaction. No need to bother how these things come, from where they come. For the time being, we just balance the reaction and not get into the reaction. No need to even bother what is the name of this compound and stuff. So the first step to balance this would be assign 1 to the most complicated compound you can find in the reaction. So which one would you find? If you ask me, I would say NaClO3. So I would assign a coefficient 1. Now assign A to this, B to this, C to this, D to this. Okay. And now you use your principle of atomic conservation. So here, balancing the Na atoms. Here Na atoms are A, and on this side they are C plus 1. This one and this C. So this is our first equation. Then going to the oxygen atoms, again here they are A, and on the right hand side they are 3 plus D. So D plus 3. 3 from here and D from here. Then coming to the hydrogen atoms, again A is equal to only 2D. Now before going into the fourth equation, let's just take these two equations, 2 and 3. Substitute A equal to 2D in this. So you get 2D is equal to D plus 3. So D you get as 3. So we got one variable. And then again A is equal to 2D. So A would be 6. Isn't it? Now getting to the chlorine balancing, we have 2B over here is equal to C plus, and oh sorry, again from A we get C, because C is A minus 1 from equation 1. So C is 6 minus 1, that is 5. And 2B would be C plus 1. Should be 4. So B would be 5 plus 1, 6 by 2, which is 3. So simple, you get the n number of variables and you get n number of equations. Now you have to just solve a system of n variables and n equations. So just by substitution or anything else you can solve these simultaneous equations. So simply you can find the correct balancing, and this is a short answer for this. So what did we get? A equal to 6, B equal to 3, C equal to 5 and D equal to 3. So the reaction would be 6, 3, 5 and then 3. So nothing much of anything, any complications, just that it will take a little bit of time. So in the paper, if you get a simple reaction, not a reaction like this, then don't waste time on this method. Go for hit and trial. If you don't get the answer after a lot of hit and trials, then only go for this method. Otherwise, if you go for this method, it will take considerably greater time, and you could have saved time by using hit and trial. So now, if I give you one example, would you be able to do it on your own? Suppose you get this. Okay. So I think you can do this by hit and trial, because let's see, maybe this is mg is balanced. What is not balanced is H. So let's put a 2 over here, and then still NO3 whole twice, again NO2 is there, O is there. So again you will have to remove this 2, put something else, and then it will take a bit of time for balancing this by hit and trial. So let us go for POAC. So I'll assign this one because I find it the most complicated compound, and the others A, B, C and D. Then as usual apply POAC. A will be equal to 1, directly got it. Then B would be equal to 2D, this is one equation. Then again B would be equal to 2 plus 2C, 2 from here and 2C from here. And then 3B would be equal to 6 plus 2C plus D, the third equation. So just substitute B equal to 2D over here and B equal to 2D over here again. So you get, like, suppose like this, 6D is equal to 6 plus 2C plus D, and C plus 1 is equal to D. So these are the two equations. Two equations, two variables. After doing this substitution, just solve these two equations, find C and D. Once you have got C or D, anything, you can find B from them. And don't worry if the coefficients come out to be, or the ABCD come out to be fractions, it's perfectly okay. Because after all, fractions are possible, and of course they will never come out to be irrational, because you don't have any irrational, you haven't assumed any irrational coefficient, or you don't have O root 3 or sort of things. So they'll not come out to be irrational, they may come out to be fractional. That is the best way, and no need to again multiply the fraction with its LCM and stuff and bring it in the whole number form. So that was about POAC, and why we were actually going about balancing equations, because the questions which we get from mole concept are mostly dealing with balanced equations.